Hello guys. Both Estonia and San Marino are Muslim-less country. In Lithuania, the Muslim community is 0.1% of its total population. Point 0.15% of its total population in Slovakia believe in Islam. In Iceland, the number of Muslim population is 686. The population in Portugal is above 10 million and 0.4% of them are Muslims. About 50,000 Muslims live in Hungary. More than 70,000 Muslims live in Belarus, amounting to 0.75% of its total population. In Ireland, about 50 mosques are available for Muslim community. Muslims in Ukraine have 445 communities, 433 ministers and 160 mosques. In Malta, there are 2.6% of Muslims of its total populations. Finland has 5.5 million population and 2.7% of them are Muslim. Islam spread to Serbia during the 5 centuries of Ottoman rule. The Ibrahim Al-Ibrahim Mosque is located at Europa Point in the British Overseas Territory of Gibraltar. There are about 400 mosques in Netherlands and with them 200 Turkish mosques. Denmark has 300,000 Muslim population across the country. About 5.7% of its total population or 4.7 million Muslim population live in Germany. The number of Muslim population in Norway is 310,000. Belgium has more Muslim population than Norway, which is 883,000. There are 8.1% of its total population in Sweden are Muslim. Nearly 1 million of Bulgarian population are believe in Islam. Islam is the second largest religion in Montenegro after Christianity. Islam is the largest religion in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Islam in Albania mainly arrived during the Ottoman period. 58.8% are now Muslim population. If you want to watch the Muslim population in Asia, click the middle in this video. To learn something new, stay with us and subscribe our channel. Stay happy, stay cool. Goodbye.